Master the word challenge for IELTS success. Imagine you're preparing for an important exam. It won't be easy, but you're determined to succeed. This situation presents a challenge. Today, we're going to learn about the word challenge and how to use it effectively in your IELTS exam. Word type. Challenge can be used as both a noun and a verb. Meaning, as a noun, a challenge is a difficult task or situation that tests someone's abilities. As a verb, to challenge means to test or question someone or something. Word history. The word challenge comes from an old French word meaning to accuse or claim. Over time, its meaning evolved to include the idea of facing difficult situations. Antonyms. Some opposites of challenge include ease, simplicity, and comfort. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to challenge include test, trial, difficulty, and obstacle. Examples used in sentences. As a noun, learning a new language can be a big challenge, but it's also very rewarding. As a verb, the student challenged the teacher's explanation and asked for more details. In a work context, meeting the project deadline will be a significant challenge for our team. In a personal context, she set herself the challenge of running a marathon within 6 months. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing challenge with chance. Remember, a challenge is a difficult task, while a chance is an opportunity or possibility. Another error is using challenge only in negative contexts. Challenges can also be positive and help us grow. To wrap up, the word challenge is a versatile and important word for your IELTS vocabulary. Whether you're describing difficult situations or talking about testing your abilities, using challenge correctly can help you express yourself more clearly. Remember to practice using this word in different contexts to become more comfortable with it. Every new word you learn is a step towards achieving your IELTS goals.